This is Coach White. Today we're going to be going over the underhand serve, which we had a volleyball, but today we have 3 socks rolled up the best we can. My feet are shoulder width apart. Because I'm right-handed, my right foot's going to be back slightly. I want to hold this ball right here. I want to keep my eyes on this ball. If you look up, you will miss the ball, so keep your eyes on the ball the entire time. I'm going to go ahead and have my feet. I'm going to transfer my weight back to my back foot. As I transfer my weight forward to my forward foot, I hit the ball and then it goes in. So now I can start at the second line, feet shoulder width apart. Because I'm right-handed, my right foot's just back slightly. Keep my eye on the ball, hold it here. When I make my fist right here, my thumb's on the side, fingers are right here. I want to hit it on the flat part where it's nice and soft, the pad. So basically, hold the ball, step back, come forward, keep your eye on the ball. Very good. Now I would go ahead and pick it. Now that you're on the third line, feet shoulder width apart, fist hitting it on the soft part, step back. Oh! And that is the underhand serve.